100,000 mile checkup. No, it's not me, silly. It's the van. Hi everyone, it's Jan and Bruce, and this is the van's parking place when we're not using it. And I want to tell you about us taking the van in after it reached 105,000 miles, and it had to go in for its 100,000 mile checkup. So we took it in, and they gave us a loaner car for free, and they were going to keep the van for 2 days and go over every single bit of it, which they did. They said it was like a brand new van. Nothing was wrong with it. We did have to put a new headlight in, which we knew. We told them about it. They changed the oil filter, flushed out the radiator. They also put a new fuel filter in. Anything that needed to be fixed that was part of a 100,000 mile checkup, they replaced it, and they said the van should give us another 100,000 miles because we bring it in for all of its oil changes. Everything that needs to be done, we have fixed on it. It's like a brand new van. And if you treat your vehicles correctly, they will treat you correctly by not breaking down on the road. We do have our work done by Chevrolet, and the reason for that is that we travel all over in this van. And if we had a local guy do something for us and it broke when we were out on the road, we would just have to suck it up and pay for it again. So by having the Chev dealer do the work on it, if they put in something and it breaks down, the new Chev dealer that we're at has to do the work for free. Has that ever happened to us? No. The one thing we had to have done was done under warranty, but we know the possibility of us having to have something done is greater the older the vehicle gets. Right now, this van is only 8 years old. Yeah, 8 years old, but it's got a lot of miles on it. And at that, you can expect things to go wrong. And when we had it checked, they would say, well, there's nothing wrong with this, but since you guys go out on the road and the age of the van and the miles on the van, we would suggest you do this or that or another thing, and we do it. Are we being taken? I don't think so. Because we haven't had any problems with the van. So I think their preventative maintenance is also helping. Now, what'd that cost us? Oh yeah, it was a lot. It gave us peace of mind for when we went to Canada to visit family, and also to go along the Gaspe Peninsula. It was $1,285.83. Were we in a state of shock? No, because that was about 3 months of a car payment, and we figured that's That's cheap. So, always take care of your vehicles. Don't put off your maintenance if there's any way you can keep from doing it. Because you don't do something for this, and then that puts wear and tear on another part, and then it's breaking down, and then there's another part that's breaking down, and pretty soon you got thousands and thousands of dollars of repairs that should be made on the vehicle. Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.